Once upon a time in Gujarat. The state of government services, so near yet so far. The root cause, indifference and lack of attitude. The need, change of perspective and a human approach. Thus began Gujarat's journey of e-governance. Offline was made online. Files were infused with life. The hidden was made transparent. The result, a more responsive system based on one of the largest IT backbone of the country. With an easy, effective, efficient and economical way of governance. Digital Gujarat. Gujarat is one of the pioneering states in the implementation of e-governance in India, and it is also the #1 state in e-transactions according to the National E-Services Dashboard, e-TAL, e-transactions aggregation and analysis layer. It has also been rated as the most e-prepared states in the country, independent agencies. The Digital Gujarat Dream is the result of 10 years of systematic outcome-based planning that entailed successful conceptualizing and commissioning of a series of e-governance projects encompassing all stakeholders. Digital Gujarat, building transparent bridges. The efforts struck at the root problem of malpractices and inefficiency and ushered transparency through digitization of citizen-centric services. A shining example of true citizen empowerment through transparency is Swagat, India's internationally recognized grievance redressal system through application of technology, giving citizens access to the highest authority of the state for grievance redressal. The program has a success rate of more than 90%. Another classic example is the TPDS, Targeted Public Distribution System, which has effectively plugged the loopholes in the PDS system through introduction of biometric bar-coded ration cards and food coupons. This process eliminated almost 14 lakh bogus ration cards, reducing the burden on the system. It also offered unprecedented freedom of choice between food coupons, cash coupons and FPS, while reducing incidences of malpractices. Digital Gujarat, socio-economic empowerment through digital inclusion. Just like justice delayed is justice denied, Gujarat's ideology is service delayed is service denied. Delivering citizen-centric services in time-bound and hassle-free manner at their doorstep became the core focus. Minimum government, maximum governance, and one-day governance was the new mantra. Gujarat became the first state in country to digitally connect almost 18,000 villages under the E-Gram Vishwagram Yojana. The E-Gram centers transformed the Gram Panchayats into Gram Sachivalayas. Today, a villager doesn't need to travel miles to obtain one piece of record. Now birth and death certificates, caste and income certificates, land records, e-ration card coupons, job application forms, etc. are available at their doorstep. These and other citizen-centric services at the urban and semi-urban centers are provided through city civic centers and Jan Seva Kendras. Also programs like ATVT, Apno Taluko Vibrant Taluko, decentralization of administration at Taluka level, e-Jameen, mutation of land linked with registration, online job application system, OJAS have enabled true grassroots governance. Digital Gujarat, creating smart and intelligent cities of the future. Gujarat has pioneered a unique concept of e-Nagar that aims at evolving the cities of Gujarat into smart and intelligent cities. The concept seamlessly integrates all services covering citizens, businesses and the government machinery. While the state-of-the-art city civic centers and information kiosks provide the citizens paperless experience with one-day governance, The recently functional virtual civic centers in certain cities allow citizens to access several services round the clock from their homes. This facility will gradually be extended across the entire state. Leveraging on the large mobile user base, the cities of Gujarat are now migrating to M-Governance, mobile governance that offers real-time services through SMS, IVRS and mobile apps. The efficiency and response time of various public utilities have been dramatically improved through GIS, GPS and intelligent transit system. Safety and security have also been enhanced through CCTV surveillance. On a wider scale, projects like e-procurement, MAGIC, royalty pass system for the Mines and Geology Department, VATIS for the Commercial Tax Department, etc. have truly enabled a transparent, convenient and smooth functioning environment between the government and the business community. Digital Gujarat, infusing life into the system. The government has effectively used decision support system like GIS and SATCOM to rejuvenate the administrative mechanism and to promote digital literacy across the state. The unique integrated workflow and document management system IWDMS has enabled electronic tracking of letters and files. Right from the citizens to the government officials, everyone is a part of this digital revolution in Gujarat. Reason why Gujarat leads the country in e-governance. But the story doesn't end here. While M-Governance promises to transform the way a city functions, Wi-Fi-enabled cities under the e-Nagar Yojana will truly bring life to this transformation. E-governance has actually played a silent but significant role in the inclusive growth of Gujarat. Today, the common man of Gujarat has access to more than 500 e-services. Today, long queues for a simple service are a passe. Today, people don't have to travel far and wide for a simple record. Today, a businessman doesn't need to run from pillar to post for approval of his project. Today, the government officials need not wait for physical delivery of a file to take a decision. All it took was a strong determination and a clear vision by one person to bring about the change.
ये हमारा सपना है डिजिटल इंडिया। जब मैं डिजिटल इंडिया कहता हूं तब ये बड़े लोगों की बात नहीं है, एक गरीब के लिए है। अगर ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्टिविटी से हिंदुस्तान के गांव जुड़ते हैं और गांव के आखिरी छोर की स्कूल में अगर हम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन दे सकते हैं, आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं कि हमारे उन गांव के बच्चों को कितनी अच्छी शिक्षा मिलेगी। जहां डॉक्टर नहीं पहुंच पाते, अगर हम टेलीमेडिसिन का नेटवर्क खड़ा करें तो वहां पर बैठे हुए गरीब व्यक्ति को भी किसी प्रकार की दवाई की दिशा में जाना, उसका स्पष्ट मार्गदर्शन मिल सकता है। सामान्य मानवी की रोजमर्रा की चीजें आपके हाथ में मोबाइल फोन है, अपने मोबाइल से वो बैंक अकाउंट ऑपरेट करे, गरीब आदमी वो सरकार से अपनी चीजें मांग सके, वो अपनी अर्जी पेश करे, अपना सारा कारोबार अपने चलते चलते मोबाइल गवर्नेंस के द्वारा कर सके। और ये अगर करना है तो हमें डिजिटल इंडिया की ओर जाना है।
Digital Gujarat.